Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you I recently found out this website which is actually used to create SaaS kind of templates. It's compatible with all the AI providers such as Claude, Gemini, Cursor, Windsurf, Gemini, GitHub Copilot as well. So this is a kind of a actual tool website, VibeReady.sh. It's a premium tool where you can actually have SaaS templates, starter kit. If you're developing any kind of AI application with the Claude Cursor, then you don't need to build the entire application from scratch. So it contains ready-made templates. So once you go to the website, you will actually see it's actually a one-time fee will be charged here. It will give you the entire full source code with lifetime updates. Either you can purchase it 149 one-time payment or 399 one-time payment. So inside this it contains all the compatible commands, AI commands, the actual SaaS template source code which is required if you're building any kind of SaaS application. So you don't need to waste a lot of time in designing all the basic functionalities. So this SaaS template will contain everything such as authentication. If you're also doing, you can see it's automatically AI native SaaS template you will get. AI framework, built-in AI agent as well, vibe coding guides, tutorials, infrastructure. So you don't need to build the entire application from scratch. All the basic functionalities such as authentication, the payment gateway will be entirely built in. And then whatever is your core application, we just need to design that only. So you don't need to waste time. So you will see all the authentications access will be built in inside this. We also will be having database, API layer. You will have your dashboard as well, analytics, monitoring, background job, billing. It will also integrate Stripe checkout as well, AI assistant, super admin portal. So all these basic functionalities which will be required inside the AI application which will be there. So inside this, you simply go to the actual template, you simply activate that template and automatically just build. You will see this template will look something like this. You will have fully dashboard area. So this will really save your time and also your AI tokens as well, because you no longer need to develop the entire application from scratch. All the basic technologies will be. You can simply activate this template, just deploy this in 5 minutes. No configuration is required. So every documentation, every file will be included right here. How to activate that. If you still face any problem, you can contact them. I You will get full source code, as you see, full lifetime updates as well. So definitely check out this website. It's actually compatible, as you can see. It is compatible with Claude Code, Opus Max. So if you're using that coding agent, it's fully compatible with that as well. Full tutorials, smart content router will all be there. A markdown file will be there, which will be compatible with all the AI providers such as Claude Code, Cursor, Windsurf, Gemini CLI, Copilot as well. So if you are wanting to build out a complete SaaS application, this tool will be really helpful. Uh, the website is vibeready.sh. Definitely check this out. It's a single page application that they are. So this is their documentation. Exactly, they have shown you how to get started. So the setup guide is also given. So how to activate this template, you should have Node.js, GitHub CLI installed. So you first of all clone this repo and CD, and then so for the database they're using Post Prisma. You can see that. So it's an all-in-one SaaS template for all the AI providers. So definitely check this out.